Hi everyone, Mike here again with another monthly tech tip video. In today's video, we'll explore the many risks that AI can present for small businesses. Look, AI is bigger than ever. Have you started using it at all for your small business? Tools like ChatGPT offer a lot in terms of efficiency and innovation. However, for small businesses, integrating AI into operations demands careful consideration and vigilance. Now let's explore the complexities surrounding AI implementation and why a cautious approach is crucial for small businesses. Here are 7 key risks that AI presents to small businesses. 1. Data privacy and security concerns. Small businesses must prioritize safeguarding sensitive data when utilizing AI for text generation. With the vast amounts of data involved, ensuring robust security measures is imperative to prevent breaches and maintain regulatory compliance. 2. Ethical considerations and bias mitigation. AI algorithms can inadvertently perpetuate biases present in training data, posing ethical dilemmas for businesses. Small businesses must remain vigilant in identifying and addressing biases to ensure fairness and inclusivity in AI-generated content. 3. Transparency and accountability challenges. The opacity of AI models presents challenges in understanding decision-making processes. Small businesses must strive for transparency to ensure the accuracy and ethical integrity of AI-generated text. 4. Navigating legal and regulatory landscapes. Compliance with legal and regulatory frameworks is essential when employing AI for text generation. Small businesses must navigate complex legal landscapes to avoid penalties and legal disputes. 5. Quality control and consistency assurance. Ensuring the quality and consistency of AI-generated content remains a challenge. Small businesses should invest in quality control measures and human oversight to maintain standards of accuracy and relevance. 6. Balancing dependency and reliability. Small businesses must strike a balance between leveraging AI for efficiency and preserving human expertise and creativity. Over-reliance on AI may compromise authenticity and human connection in business communications. 7. Adaptability and flexibility for future needs. AI text generation tools must be adaptable to evolve business needs and market dynamics. Small businesses should assess the scalability and flexibility of AI solutions to ensure relevance and effectiveness over time. Embracing AI in small businesses requires a prudent approach that acknowledges and mitigates associated risks. By implementing robust governance frameworks, prioritizing ethical considerations, and maintaining a balance between AI and human input, small businesses can harness the benefits of AI text generation while navigating potential pitfalls effectively.